If you're someone who likes to take your time with skincare and build routines thoughtfully, I think you'll enjoy what's in my box. Last year for my birthday, I went on down to the Sephora and I picked me up a sampler that had the rice wash and the dewy cream. The set was $29 and a cute little coin. The results was amazing. So when Black Friday rolled around a few weeks later, I saw they were offering the ultimate gift. That included a travel case with 6 minis when you spend a certain amount of money. So I went ahead and treated myself because I'm Black and it was a Friday, okay? I got all the ritual sets. I even picked up the lip scrub, mask, and the SPF lip tint. That landed me a free carrying lip pouch, okay? At this big age, there's no reason for me not to have a better skincare ritual in place. The founder talked about rituals over trends when she appeared on an episode of Love Megan. That philosophy really resonated with me. We all need to take a few minutes out of our busy mornings and nights to focus on our skin. This haul was about building foundation, not trying everything at once. I'ma be scrubbing these lips, girl. Okay. Now this Kissu Gold Leaf 24 karat mask, that was a limited edition goodie, so I'm so sorry, but I'm not sorry. I snatched that up really quick and it sold out so fast. Now for the sets, right? So the starter ritual set, look how cute that is. Do you see this? It came with 5 pieces, heavy, okay? The full size. That set was so cute. But what's next? Because I was ready to move on, all right? This is the bright skin set, right? Had a little rice polish in there. Another set, full size. And then we're going to keep on going, all right? Pull out the switchblade because I don't know who told me to get one, but that's what I had. And that's what I had next, all right? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel while you're watching. This set here is for the bright skin because sometimes, especially in the winter, our skin can look a little dull. So we want to go ahead and get this skin bright. So I definitely had to throw that up in the mix. Having a bit too much fun with this switchblade, but that's what I got. And this box is a little bit heavier, so let's go ahead and open it. You ready? Yep, the full size Delightfully Dewy Set. This is the one I told you was $29, but it wasn't this size. It was a little sample, like I said, and it didn't have this glass bottle. This one gave me that Bruce Leroy glow, okay? The Delightfully Dewy Set. And that last little one, that's the Essence one. It had Essence Indigo and a rice polish set. And this video is just the beginning. I'll be sharing a deeper texture and routine breakdown very soon. So like, follow, and subscribe to see a little bit more about my lifestyle, my routines, and learn a little bit more about Sassy in Real Life. The edit. Toodaloo.